Welcome to this market overview of the inherently dissipative polymers market. The global inherently dissipative polymers market was valued at approximately $850 million in 2024 and is projected to grow at a CAGR of around 7.2% through 2031. Demand is increasing as industries seek advanced materials that provide permanent electrostatic discharge protection without compromising mechanical performance. Growth is being driven by expanding semiconductor production, increasing adoption of electronic devices, and rising demand for electrostatic discharge protection in sensitive manufacturing environments. The electronics industry remains the largest end-use sector for inherently dissipative polymers. North America remains a major market due to its advanced electronics and aerospace industries. Europe benefits from strong automotive electronics manufacturing and industrial automation investments. Asia-Pacific leads global demand and is the fastest-growing region, supported by large-scale semiconductor production across China, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. Key applications include semiconductor manufacturing, electronics packaging, industrial equipment, and automotive electronics. Permanent anti-static performance and durability continue to drive adoption across these sectors. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.